Handwritten medical prescription recognition system using neural networks. This is the pre-introduction of the research project. What is a handwritten medical prescription? A handwritten medical prescription is a piece of paper on which doctors write a list of medicine for patients in time, sickness, injuries, and other disability problems. Reading a doctor's handwritten prescription is a challenge that most patients and inexperienced pharmacists face due to the illegibility and incompleteness of the prescriptions. Also, handwritten medical prescriptions are so difficult to decipher because doctors make use of Latin abbreviations and medical terminology. When we talk about the importance of the handwritten medical prescription recognition, nowadays medicine and treatments are the mandatory factors in human life. According to some estimates, 1.5 million people all over the world are sick, injured, and killed by wrong interpretation of prescriptions. In such cases, prescription errors have received considerable attention as a public health issue. So, it is very important to build a handwritten prescription recognition system to reduce the incompleteness and illegibility of prescriptions. In Sri Lanka, the healthcare system is still lacking an accurate and effective digitized system to recognize prescriptions. If this medical data is digitized, it adds a lot of value to be stored in long term and it can be used for the downstream systems for analysis. So, this research project demonstrates an effective approach to recognize handwritten medical prescriptions by using neural networks. Step 3. Methodology. The first step is collecting dataset. In here, IAM dataset is used. IAM is one of the biggest English handwritten image collection. After collecting dataset, the second step is preprocessing data. The third step is creating network architecture. The fourth step is defining a loss function. Then training model. At last, decoding output from prediction. Key concepts and theories. Convolutional recurrent neural network (CRNN) is the key concept of this research project, and it is a combination of convolutional neural network and recurrent neural network. So it gives all the benefit of convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks. The next thing after preparing this model, the next thing is to choose a loss function. In this handwritten image recognition problem, CDC loss function is selected as loss function. Effective approach to recognize handwritten medical prescriptions by using neural networks. This diagram shows how the CNN and RNN layers are combined together. And you can see the overview of the CRNN architecture with series A loss function. This is the summary of the model, and there are a number of layers connected to each other. The CRNN architecture with series A loss function. implementation. In here, Python is used as developing language, tools and techniques, Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, Tickinter Toolkit, and TensorFlow. In this project, Tickinter Toolkit is used to build graphical user interface. Results. The final model is used 250 approx to give 82.45% correct character accuracy and 76.9% correct word accuracy, and it took 7 hours to train. Evaluation. You can see the loss and the validation loss of the model